You want to live on Mars? You aren't colonizing, you're entering a siege. It begins with 10 tons of steel. You launch the machines before you launch your life.
Physics is cruel. If one engine stalls, your cargo becomes space debris. The foundation is gone.
They touch down alone. They have to set up your oxygen, or you land in a tomb. The machines wake up. They begin to rip the CO2 from the thin air. The cage is set, but are you ready to enter it? You enter it. The machines are waiting. Why are you still standing on Earth? You are you.
You are now trapped in a lead-lined tin can, drifting through a graveyard of stars. In 0G, your body thinks it's dying. It begins to cannibalize your own muscle. Cosmic rays pierce the wall. They are literally unzipping your DNA, one strand at a time. Ignore the radiation, and your brain's signal processing starts to fail. You aren't just sick, you're losing your mind. You fight back. You tear your own muscle to save your skeleton from turning to dust. For 1 hour, you've tricked gravity, but the red abyss is still waiting. You've spent 90 days in a cage. Are you still human? Or just a biological test subject? 7 minutes of terror. You are falling into a brick wall of dust. The ship is a bomb! It must stop from supersonic speeds to 0 in seconds! Structural integrity failing! The pressure is too high! The hull begins to buckle under the heat!
If the seal breaks here, your blood boils instantly in the low pressure. The ground holds. You hit the red dirt. You are finally, terrifyingly, home. The ship is quiet. You've survived the fall. But you are now a parasite on a dead world. You've landed. But how do you plan to leave? The leak! You're losing 1% of your every hour. You have to fix it now. You drink your own sweat, your own urine. Every molecule is alone.
The filter is clogged with calcium.
No, this cannot be happening.
Now poisonous.
Poisonous? We are doomed! What on earth are we going to do now? You have 6 hours of water left. If you don't clear the lines, your kidneys will fail. Survival is just maintenance. You keep the machine running, so it keeps you. You've bought another day. But the desert outside is infinite, and your resources are finite. You survived the year, but look at your hands. I am a survivor? Isolation isn't just silence. It's your brain hallucinating threats that don't exist. Without social cues, your brain enters hypervigilance mode, searching for danger in the static. The line between reality, you are forgetting the sound of rain.
High stress is physically rewiring your synapses. You are losing the ability to think logically. The signal, life. You anchor your mind to the only living thing in the sector. The yellow light in the brain fades to a calm, steady blue. Breath returns to a rhythm. The phantom threats retreat back into the shadows.
You've maintained your sanity for now, but can you survive your own thoughts?
Your body is changing. It's shedding its earthbound legacy to fit the Martian gravity.
Your body realizes it doesn't need to carry weight anymore. It's offloading your bone density. You hold the line. You are physically becoming something new. A Martian. The synthetic protein paste is running out. Your calories are now a matter of life and death. Your gut microbiome is starving. It is starting to consume your own lining to find energy.
You've bought another cycle. Hunger is the fuel of this planet.
The colony is alive, but for how long? Do you really own this planet?
You survived the launch, the transit, the landing, and the starvation.
The entire colony is a pulse. A tiny beat of life in a dead, frozen ocean.
Systems fluctuate. The environment outside never stops trying to break your seals. It's a cycle of constant, unending maintenance. Peace is a luxury you can't afford.
You look out and you realize you are the anomaly. You are the only thing in a million miles that defies the entropy. You didn't just colonize Mars, you surrendered your old life to become a part of the planet.
You want to live on Mars? You aren't colonizing, you're entering a siege. Ready to start over?